Wanted to do a quick walk around on this 92 Wrangler that I recently picked up about 2 months ago. Had a blown head gasket. I rebuilt the motor. It's been completely gone through. The grill I powder coated, put in headlights while I was there, aluminum radiator, a couple things under the hood. We'll get into that later. I just wanted to get the exterior. Getting ready to start the vinyl wrap. I'm going to do a camo wrap on it, and just wanted to get a before picture of the Jeep prior to starting the wrap. It's going to be a challenge. I've never done a wrap before. We'll see how it turns out. I got new tires and wheels for it, but they'll go on after the wrap. There's some issues with the body that I've got to address before I wrap, but we'll learn that, I guess, as I go. See how the wrap works. But this looks like your basic male Jeep, but it's got good bones to start with. The body's pretty straight. It's clean. There's a couple dents and a couple areas that need a little extra attention, like these. The front here has some issues. I think I can pound it out and straighten it up enough that the wrap, you won't notice it. And I say that I think. I haven't dealt with the wrap yet. It comes from Mossy Graphics. Really good company to deal with so far. Quick shipment, and the stuff looks great. So we'll see.